Hi folks, it's Ben with Pierre Driving School. We're going to do an highway lesson here, right? We're going to hop on the Bell Parkway. We're going to hop on the Bell Parkway west here. Let me see, the sunshine in the car. All right, we're going to hop on the Bell Parkway here, going on towards Verrazano Bridge. Okay? As you're driving on the highway, the skills require a little bit more. You have to do more. You see, I'm still checking the shoulder, although they're on the stop lane, but you never give them any trust because you be in shock see thing that they're doing, even they know they're not supposed to, right? Highway's got a gem, which is okay, but for a beginner, it might be a little bit, for a beginner actually, it's easy because, you know, it's just like regular traffic, okay? Paying good attention here on ramp, that's when it's get more difficult here, okay? You see how, oh my God. See how this guy went in between those things here? Why? Trouble, okay? We're going using on-ramp driving, paying attention here. That's when it gets a bit more tricky, coming in here on the highway, okay? Paying good attention here. You do not go in until you see where the line dotted it, okay? That's where you go in, until you get your clearance, okay? As you merge on, you have to merge along with the seat. Look at Uber on my right side. Gonna try to go over more. I don't know what Uber is trying to do, okay? Cutting everybody off. All right, guys? Perfect setup for trouble, okay? You have to wait here until you get clearance. So I keep checking here. If it's not clear, you cannot go. The car behind me letting me go. That's nice of, and that's nice of them. Then from there you keep on driving. All right. We're gonna do some extra lane change here today. Okay. Just stay with me here and let's see where we go from here. This is Ben with Pierre Driving School. If you're in the New York area, you already have your license. You want some driving highway driving skill? Please check out Pierre Driving School. We can definitely help you to get that together because driving on the street is different from driving on the highway. All right. Today we're gonna do 3-lane change. We're gonna do we did the on ramp. We're gonna do off ramp. A few of them. See what's going on. All right. We're gonna work on the first lane change here. Okay. When you change in lane, you have to pay attention with everything. Inner lane, outer lane, and change lane. Okay. So okay, we're signaling on the first lane change here. And then let me left. Okay. You do it. First lane change. Continue to go from there, all right? And you pick up, let this guy here clear, not a problem, and you pick up from there. All right, good. And we're gonna go back here and do the second lane change. We're gonna signal right, mirror right, shoulder right, and bring the car in. It's a quick lens, all right? You don't wanna be dwell in it too much because as the traffic moving with speed, the more time you spend on the mirror, on the shoulders, the quicker you can get in trouble because the traffic is not really waiting for you to move. They are on the move. You have to move along with the traffic. If the traffic is lessened, I'm covering the brake to lessen the speed so I don't come to abrupt braking. The car in front of me on the left side, I don't know what that driver is going, is in and out of traffic. You see, I got gap in front of me, but he's not squeezing in. Now I'm picking up a little bit. They'll be surprised what I'm picking up. Then they try, you see, I'm picking up, is coming in. Forward planning all your moves. I was already reading it. As I'm going over. And when you're coming on the ramp, you're driving or whatnot, always pay the attention. Okay, I'm out. Yep, always take a little pay attention when you come on the on ramp because sometimes they're coming on all type of crazy. Pay attention fully of all your surrounding because you're being surprised how quick some of these folk can jump in front of your car, and from there it's straight problem. All buffers on this steering wheel steady. And you do not do anything extra if need not be, all right? Like I said back there, I did 2-lane change and I had to because there was a construction vehicle. That was a highway service vehicle that was in front of me that was moving a little weird, so I have to go around it. Now we're driving on the 65. Okay? Speed limit is 55. We're doing 65. We're in good shape. It's only 10 miles above the speed limit. You can't go any higher than that because it's gonna fluctuate. If you try to do anything higher than that, then that's when trouble coming in. Okay? Trouble on both ends. You have to be looking at the police on your shoulder, and you also have to be looking at car cutting you up all type of crazy left and right. always pay attention to your on-ramp. We're on Bell Parkway, New York City. One of the highway here, one of the major highway here we have in New York City. That's where we're driving on now. But if there's any particular highway you want us to cover for you, put in the comment below. We will gladly do so, as most of our topic coming from what you guys want us to do here. Traffic in front of us is less than the speed we're covering the brakes as well. It's letting us know that soon that one in front of us is coming up to an exit. Pay attention, fully undivided attention, the direction you're going, unless you're about to do something contrary from where you're going. That's when you signal that and you take action on that direction. Okay? A lot of people coming here on the highway, big time crazy, doing extracurricular activity. All of those jobs are not needed. You just want to get a little bit faster to one point to the next, you do just that. The same slowing down here because they're coming off ramp, then you let them clear and you continue on the highway. As you're coming up on the on-ramp, you pay good attention here, because these people jump all type of crazy as you're driving. You see there's one coming, you can do two things. If you like, you see it's picking up speed, you can fall back. You don't want to be selfish, let them come on, because someone has to let you in as well. See, some people here, they will squeeze in, try to block that person to come in. Why all this extra? Anything you guys want us to cover in particular, put in the comment below. This has been here with Pierre Driving School on the highway lesson here today on Brooklyn, New York, Bell Parkway, going in east, going in the west actually. We cover lesson here on highway lesson for advanced students. For students that have the driver license, after we should maybe do some highway lesson to pick up some skills, we can definitely help you here at Pierre Driving School. Check out our website, pierredriving.com. Anything driving related, we will be glad to help. So I'm seeing the on-ramp here. You don't slow down as you're coming up the on-ramp, but you pay attention just in case anybody jumping in front of you, so you'll be on the defensive side. And pay attention to both sides of the street as you're going along. We're taking the exit coming up. We signal the exiting. We start lessening the speed and start verifying to see if anybody not gonna do anything crazy. I'm hearing some noise in the back of my car that I don't like too much here in Brooklyn, so I'm paying attention to that. Okay, gonna do a mirror check and shoulder check right quick and come back to normal and drop the speed to 30 miles per hour as I was at 55. Dropping the speed to the ramp as requested. You be in so much shock how much your car will flip, start turning. Talking from experience. And as always, I'm covering my right side. Student must always be on the right side. There's a measure as well. I check on that and lessen the speed. Okay, you see, there you go. Yep, folks, there you have it here. That was a little bit advanced highway lesson, and we've been here with Pierre Driving School. These are the things that we do here in our driving school. Because after many students they get their license, they kind of nervous. They kind of nervous to go and drive. We take them on the highway to give them highway lesson. If you want us to do those things with you as well, please feel free to put in the comment below. And check if you're in the New York area, check out our driving school, pierredriving.com. even if you're visiting, you want to get a few lessons while you're here, we can definitely help you as well. As long as you got a learner's permit, even the driving, mirror right, shoulder right, and do what? Fall to the closest lane you turn into. All right? All right, folks, there you have it. That was a highway lesson here. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driving School. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.